yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life Millwife. Dorothy and I have an unpaid sponsored video. I am having a hard time with my words today. So we are going to be doing our Christmas ornaments that we got from Beebeecrafts. I want to thank Beebeecrafts again for sponsoring this video. And there will be in the description, Kevin will probably put it on the screen, a code to get a discount on your purchase if you decide to purchase anything from Beebeecrafts. Beebeecrafts, let me pull them up and I will show you. I got one. So I just, in the search bar, I just put Beebeecrafts, go to their website, and it's really neat. Like, they've got everything. There's a menu here. You can search for things, your account. And so they are known for their jewelry, like beadwork to make jewelry, that kind of stuff. But they have all kinds of different craft items. And then if I go down here to category, so they've got jewelry, beads, jewelry findings, tools, supplies, string materials, and then crafts. And then they've got all different categories of different crafts. And like there's die cuts, there's just everything. They just have an amazing. If I go to the menu, let's see here. It gives you all the different, there's crafts, craft supplies, DIY sets, just lots and lots of fun things. And then if I go down to the customer service here, it's all your conditions, your your FAQs, and then somewhere, where is it here? Yes, under the information, they have affiliate programs, reseller programs, YouTube program, and this is the program that I work with them through. They ask you to have 100 subscribers. That's it, and they will sponsor you. And it is an amazing program. I have worked with them a few times, and so I clicked on the YouTube program, and it says that you should have 100 subscribers or more, and then we make videos for them, and the videos of like whatever projects you're making, and then within 30 days, you have to do the videos within 30 days of receiving them, and then publish one video per week of the projects. And so then you need to fill out this form, and it says a link to your YouTube channel, leave us a message. And yeah, I filled out that, and then they emailed me, and they offer, I forget what the price of, you're allowed to pick so much for such a price. And they mail it to you, and it came fast. It was within a couple of weeks, I think. Like, it didn't take very long.
Can you tell I'm anxious?
And that's fine. That's perfect. You working away like that. So,
I'm excited about doing these crafts.
Yeah.
Because it's something a little different.
Yeah. So, and I really have fun working with Beebeecraft. Like, they've always been kind to me, and I've really enjoyed their products.
Mm-hmm.
I think there was only one product that I didn't care for, like, and this was a number of years ago, and it was some some cardstock that I had gotten. Other than that, I've never had a problem. I've loved everything I've received.
That's
So,
awesome.
yeah.
And I'm busy here while Kelly is talking. I've started doing
And that's perfect.
my thing.
Yep. So I am going to point us down. I'm going to get Kevin to hit the music, and we're just going to craft away.
We are.
All right.
I got a head start.
Yeah, it's okay.
I really like this one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm anxious to see it. I think it's so neat that it's on both sides.
I know.
Because that will really make it look stunning.
All right, so I need this one. That's strange.
Oops. Upside down. Oh, is it pointing down now?
Mm-hmm.
That's great. You just saw me lose it. These are really nice beads with the metal on the back, so they really do shimmer. Oh, that is going to be so cute. Okay, these are really easy to see which ones are the right direction. I like that. What color did you start with?
T.
Hmm?
T.
T is red.
Gold.
T is red. Look. T.
Then, oops, what is this? Oh, this must be H.
Road. Come on, go over there. These are so pretty. I'm very impressed.
Okay, this one doesn't seem to be double-sided, but it seems to be. It doesn't seem to be, so I don't know.
Did you find it or no? Yeah, isn't that strange?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. You just gotta peel it. You gotta find it.
I'm gonna do one side at a time. Otherwise it just gets too hard.
I'm doing one color at a time.
I understand.
There.
Red is... That's green. That's T. Okay. Just a slight challenge with colors and their names.
Okay, so you got them.
Yeah, they went flying.
We will give our opinion when we're all done.
Hmm?
We'll give our review when we're all done.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do T next. Y.
I have Y.
X. What is this? X. Goodness gracious. You know, when you just write them out loosely,
Mm-hmm.
they can be any number of things.
Mm-hmm.
It's confusing. I'm on X. X is the dark green. Oh, these are sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really liking this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one is something that our kids would be able to do.
Mm-hmm.
And what a nice gift that would be.
Exactly. Okay.
Oh, that's pretty. Okay. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna try the other side now. To find that little edge is exciting, but it's important.
You're working on T?
Hmm?
Are you working on T? Is that what you're working on?
I'm working on X.
X. Okay.
So if you want to try X, go for it.
No, I'll try T.
T's are red.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that funny how when you write them out, it can mess you up?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I've done it myself. So I totally know. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's go. All the way up here. So we've both gotten into it a lot, so we're using our own styluses. But you can use the stylus it comes with. It's just a little pink stylus, and it's not as thick. So with our arthritic fingers, we prefer to use a thicker stylus. I even actually prefer to use thicker pens and pencils when I'm writing.
Mm-hmm.
Just makes it easier.
Yeah, so we're just going like this. So we'll bring you back and show you the finished products. Okay, so we've got them all finished, except for the one. This one I still have to work on because this little pieces broke off. I'm going to glue that on and then I'll finish this one up. So we got the other 5 done. So we used these little containers, labeled them, and put all the little individual beads in.
So they always give you plenty of beads.
Oh, yeah, plenty. Every kit I've ever had except for one, I think, and it was a Dollarama one. But so there's the wreath, the gingerbread house,
The bell. Candy canes. And it's on both sides. And a Christmas tree.
Now you've got film from...
Yeah. So
of
these are the... You probably can't even see it. But these are the films that were on each side of the paper. I'm pretty sure you can't see that.
Yeah, I think you can with the contrast.
Yeah. So, and then you take them off a bit at a time on each side, and then you do each side, which is pretty awesome.
So, all right. Thanks again, Beebeecraft, for sponsoring these. And remember, there'll be a discount code if you're interested in purchasing anything. And next week, we're going to be doing the notebook diamond painting.
Oh, that's going to be so fun. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
So, all right. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.
Yesterday